Hi there, Dori Soukup here. Welcome back. I am very excited about the special of this month for October because guess what? October is my birthday month. But I'm not celebrating any more birthdays. But I want to pass on a gift actually to you in return. So as you notice, the theme of this newsletter was all about success and failure. Now, we talked about in the featured article what separates businesses from being successful and failing. And also in the Bright Idea, I talked about how important it is to coach and develop the team. And then in the Dory Recommends, we talked about the difference between busy and productive. Well, these are all things that actually separates a business from failure and success. And of course, the people that are doing all these things are definitely succeeding. And the people that don't are the ones that are struggling. Well, you shouldn't struggle. No one should be struggling these days because you have so many tools and so many solutions for your business. So my gift to you this month, because it is my birthday month, is to invite you to come and join us for the next Leap Ahead seminar. We're actually having one this month in October. And in this Leap Ahead, all the things that we talked about as far as having the systems, the structure, the solutions, and the strategies that you need are all wrapped up in one seminar for you. So this is a 3-day seminar that you can come and join us in beautiful Daytona Beach, Florida. As a matter of fact, our meeting room is amazing. It's right on the beach on the 10th floor. It's very inspiring. So during the 3 days together, we're gonna go over an entire blueprint for your success. All you have to do is come and join us, take the information, and then we don't just send you home with nothing. You actually have all the tools that you need to actually go back and implement them. You're gonna leave with a marketing plan. You're gonna leave with a budget, with a compensation model that's performance-based, with the Don't Sell, Recommend, with the Clarity hiring system, with the guest relations training. So you have all the tools that you need to actually go back and implement all these great business models so you can get into the millions. You shouldn't be working so hard. If you systemize your business, it can run on autopilot. But if you don't have the tools and the blueprint to actually do it, then it is what it is. You are where you are. So ask yourself, are you ready to finish the last quarter strongly and get yourself ready for next year so you can just totally soar? And if you are, you should come. I have to be frank. This is not for everybody. This is not for the losers. This is not for the people that don't want to work, because there is no magic wand you can just wave and all things are going to get better all by themselves. This is for the people that are willing to pull up their sleeves and dive in and actually go back home and start implementing things so you can succeed. So if that's you, then I should see you in October. And if it's not, that's okay. Just stay where you are. No big deal. It's up to you. So anyway, that's my special for the month. 2 for 1. So you can bring your right-hand person to come with you and join us. So take advantage of it. All you have to do is go to inspirationmanagement.com, go to seminars, choose Leap Ahead, and then put October as your code to get a 2 for 1 for the Leap Ahead. All right, well, I hope to see you then. Until next time, stay inspired.